Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best baby food makers available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a new parent or looking to upgrade your baby feeding routine, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Kicking off our list at number 5, we have the AMZ Baby Chef 4-in-1 Baby Food Maker. This product is designed to simplify the process of preparing healthy, homemade baby food for your little one. The standout feature here is its 4-in-1 functionality, which allows it to steam, blend, defrost, and reheat, all in one compact unit. This makes it a versatile choice for parents who want to prepare fresh meals for their infants with minimal hassle. In terms of design, the AMZ Baby Chef features a sleek, white finish that blends well with modern kitchen aesthetics. It has a large capacity mixing bowl, which is perfect for preparing multiple servings in one go. However, the build quality feels slightly less robust compared to some of the other options on this list. The blades are effective, but not as sharp or durable as premium models. One of its biggest advantages is the auto shut-off timer, which allows you to set it and forget it while you focus on other tasks. Performance-wise, this baby food maker does a decent job, especially for its 4-in-1 capabilities. However, it lacks some of the advanced features like self-cleaning or touchscreen controls found in higher-end models. At its price point, it offers good value, but may not be the best choice for parents looking for premium functionality. Pros include its multifunctionality and large capacity, while cons are its slightly lower build quality and fewer smart features. At number 4, we have the Chef Handy 5-in-1 Baby Food Maker, which is not only the most affordable option on our list, but also a surprisingly capable device. This machine combines steaming, blending, sterilizing, and bottle warming functionalities, making it a great all-in-one solution for busy parents. The inclusion of 6 reusable baby food pouches is a thoughtful touch, enabling easy storage and feeding. The design features a vibrant green color, which adds a pop of energy to your kitchen counter. Its stainless steel components, including the steam basket and water tank, ensure durability and safety. The 300-milliliter blending cup is on the smaller side, so it's better suited for single servings rather than batch cooking. The touchscreen controls are intuitive and allow for easy operation, even for those who are not tech-savvy. However, it does lack a self-cleaning function, which could be a drawback for some users. In terms of performance, the Chef Handy excels at blending smooth purees and steaming food evenly. It's a reliable choice for parents on a budget who still want a multifunctional and durable baby food maker. While it doesn't have all the bells and whistles of premium models, it delivers solid performance for its price. Pros include its affordability, stainless steel components, and thoughtful accessories, while cons are its smaller capacity and lack of advanced cleaning features. Coming in at number 3 is the Mom Yeezy Baby Food Maker, a high-end option that combines multiple functionalities in one compact device. This all-in-one machine can steam, cook, defrost, and even warm bottles, making it a versatile addition to your kitchen. Its standout feature is the frequency conversion steaming technology, which ensures even heating while preserving essential nutrients like vitamins and minerals. The design of the Mom Yeezy is sleek and modern, with a white finish that fits seamlessly into any kitchen decor. Its Triton stirring cup is BPA-free and ETL certified, ensuring the highest standards of safety for your baby's meals. The intelligent touch control panel is user-friendly, allowing you to set cooking times and blending preferences with ease. Additionally, this model includes a self-cleaning function, which is a huge time saver for busy parents. Performance-wise, the Mom Yeezy delivers consistent results, producing smooth purees and evenly steamed food. It's ideal for parents who want a reliable, high-quality baby food maker with advanced features. However, it is slightly larger than other models, so counter space might be a consideration. Pros include its nutrient-preserving steaming technology, self-cleaning feature, and versatile functionality. Cons are its higher price point and bulkier design. In the number 2 spot, we have the Groundsy Baby Food Maker, a top-rated option that combines convenience and performance. This machine offers a unique one-step process for steaming and blending, saving you time and effort. Its built-in sterilizer mode is a fantastic addition, ensuring your baby's food is not only nutritious, but also safe. The design is compact and user-friendly, with removable parts that make cleaning a breeze. The bowl is made from Triton material, which is BPA-free and heat-resistant. The digital controls are straightforward, allowing you to switch between auto and manual mixing modes for the perfect consistency. However, this model isn't dishwasher safe, so you'll need to hand wash the components. The Groundsy excels in performance, producing smooth purees and evenly steamed food with minimal nutrient loss. It's a great choice for parents who value safety and convenience. Pros include its one-step operation, sterilizer mode, and compact design, while cons are its lack of dishwasher compatibility and slightly higher price point compared to some competitors. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the perfect baby food maker for your needs. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews. If you have any questions about these products, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.